Hi everyone, it's Tammy Perrin, your independent distributor for GelMoment. Today I wanted to walk you through how to properly apply our polish. I've chosen Raven's Kiss. We have a couple of different formulas, and this one was just the color of the month, so I wanted to go through how to apply this one. So I've already prepped my nails. I have used my cuticle oil, and I have pushed back my cuticles, and I have shaped my nails with the pink side, and I've buffed my nails with the gray side, and then I've taken my wipe and cleaned it all up. So we're ready for the polish. I have also already rolled my bottle, not shaken, but rolled. So we want to take as much polish off the stick as possible. We don't want too much polish, and off the brush. So you just want a little bit. Okay. So you start about 3/4 of the way down. You leave your little glob, and then you push about that far. You don't want to go on the skin at all, so you leave the gap. They call it embracing the gap. So you leave the gap there. You pull it up, and then you go to the side, and you do the same, and you leave the gap. So I've discovered I have a little bit too much polish, so I'm just taking some polish off the brush. I don't know if you can see. Just wiping the brush back in the bottle. This stuff doesn't dry like normal nail polish, so you can work it quite a lot until you're happy with the consistency. You're going to find it's quite translucent, but that's okay. We're going to put a second coat. You want a thin layer for your first application. If you do too thick a layer, it won't cure properly. You just keep working it until you're happy. So you may find that it streaks a little. We have self-leveling polishes. So if you leave it just a little bit, it'll get rid of the streaks. Also, I wanted to mention that it's very important to cap your tips every time. So all on the ends. So what capping your tips does is it seals in your nail. So if you wash the dishes or put your hands in water, it gives your nail the barrier it needs so that water doesn't get in between. And that makes your polish last so much longer. Okay, so I'm happy with that. I am going to cure this for 45 seconds. Okay, that's a 45-second cure. So we're going to put a second layer. Again, I'm taking mostly everything off the brush and then just grabbing a little bit. We're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to start about 3/4 of the way down. Push it down. So now you're just following the lines of what you already did. If you find you need a little more, that's okay. Grab a little more. This stuff doesn't dry like regular nail polish. You have time to play. Take your time. And cap your tip. Every layer. Cap your tip on every layer. And then I go over it one more time so that the tip doesn't leave an edge. And you can see that that's not translucent anymore, it's quite opaque now. So I'm going to cure that for 45 seconds. Okay, so as you can see, 2 layers makes it completely opaque. And that was 2 thin layers. Thanks for watching.